Here's how to text images using the Shutterstock photo library with easy texting. Once you've composed your message, click the Media button to add your images. On the Upload tab, you can simply just drag and drop an image to upload. The Library tab will display all previous images you have uploaded or worked on. And the Free Images tab allows you to select from over 20 million free images powered by Shutterstock. Simply type what you're looking for in the search bar, and the photo library will repopulate with your search results. Select an image and choose to either attach the image as is or customize your image for your brand using the Add Text or Logo button. From here, you can add text, elements like emojis, or upload other images like your logo. And at the top bar, you have many other image options that are fully customizable. When finished, click on Done, and then on Attach Image. And just like that, you've texted images using the Shutterstock Media Library in 1 minute with easy texting. Try it free